Hello friends, welcome back to At Home with Anita Rosner. Today we are making a curried shrimp dish with rice, usually referred to as a biryani, which is an Indian dish, although pretty much every Middle Eastern culture has their own version of this and they call it many things. I just call it delicious. To begin, what you will need for this dish, I'll just go around here, about a pound of shrimp. It is peeled and deveined. Mine have tails on, doesn't matter if you have tails on or off. Potatoes and carrots, brown rice, olive oil, salt, Greek yogurt, ginger and garlic, coriander and curry, peas, crushed tomatoes, onion, and water. Pretty simple. You know, it requires a little bit of prep work, but not much. So we're just going to cook it in a nice big skillet. Let's get started. After 15 minutes, check to make sure your potatoes are fork tender. Yes, they are. We season it with some salt, and we're going to add our yogurt and our rice. Now, I'm trying to make this a little on the healthier side, so I'm using brown rice and Greek yogurt. Traditionally, you would use basmati rice or jasmine rice, and if you really want to go rogue, you can replace the yogurt with coconut cream. So we'll just stir that in. I wish you could smell this. Oh, it's incredible. And now the rice. Now what you could do is just put rice in bowls and then top it. And here it is, all mixed in and done. And oh wow. It's delicious. Wow. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with your friends, and enjoy your biryani.